You know, I never realized how many Realtor's locks were out there. Yet another one. This is a ShurLok. Very heavy, solid aluminum body. I mean, these guys have to be able to stand up and take a beating, I guess. Rubber-coated shackle. Yeah, 4-digit combination. This holds it on the doorknob, obviously, and then the key slides into this little kind of a secret compartment behind that little aluminum door. In playing with this earlier, I thought there might be a quick defeat. I told you heavy aluminum, but plastic. I couldn't resist, so I popped my screwdriver thinking we're going to find a real quick defeat, and we didn't. That's just a money-saving measure. They used the plastic, so the profile of this side is the same as that side. You can kind of see down into what would be the key compartment. So theoretically, you could take a larger screwdriver and hopefully pry that, maybe even break this chunk off, but this is not about forcing, this is about picking, so let's stop even thinking about that. Yeah, 4 digits. So the easiest way I found to pick combination locks is you put pressure on the shackle, and that will put pressure on the wheels, particularly the binding wheel. So I'm going to just pull the heck out of that and start spinning, trying to find, and they're spinning freely. Let's try it the other way. Same thing. Nothing's binding, and that's good. That's good. It tells you've got a little bit of tolerance built into this thing. Maybe it's the door. Let's try that. Nope. Put some real pressure on that thing. Nope, they're still spinning free. Okay. All right, so now we go to the tools. And of course you guys are going to say, bolt cutters, die grinders, dynamite, thermite. Yeah. The tool I'm going to try is this guy, little shim. And what we're going to do is alongside of here, maybe not that side's kind of tight. I can see the gap there. I'm just going to slide him in there like that, and maybe I'll rotate it like this so I can lay him down, and then find a probe. And what we're doing is we're looking for a gate or a flat spot on these wheels. So I'm going to take the tip of that pick, or that feeler gauge, put him in there and pry that way. I'm going to push with my thumb. I'm going to rotate the wheel until that thing flips. That tells me the tip of that has gone into the gate. So let's just try it. If it's not shielded, this should work. Okay, stops at 0, my luck. Okay, let's go back the other way. Oh, it keeps falling out on me. Come on now, stay in there. Go back and check that one, see if I didn't miss it. Bill, come on. Maybe I'll hold it with 2 fingers, because that's a little... And there it is. There's a 9. Notice I'm going to roll it back just so you can see. Right now we're not on the gate, and I'm going to hold it with just my thumb. But as I roll it, notice how it kind of slides forward. Now that feeler gauge is resting on the flat spot of that gate. So the gate is on top. Let's see if we can try that on all of these. Get in there. Again, I may have to hold it with my thumb. I think we were on the gate there. I think that's it. Yep, that's the gate. I just happen to be on 4. So I'm going to stick with him. Let's stay with it. Okay, same deal. Let's roll it this way first to get... Come on, roll the other way. To 0. Guys, I think we might have been on it again. That's a little tight. Oh, we're on 0. Go back the other way, Bill. That's so in the dark you can set them to 0 and by feel. Oh, I keep forgetting about... There it is right there. We were on the gate. So there's 8 again, or perfect. And the last one. Oh, 0. Got to go the other way. And there it is right there. 3. All right, doesn't open. And that's no surprise. The gates are lined up. I mean, maybe check that one. Okay. The gates are lined up, but they're not in the correct position. So what we've got to do is rotate these one step at a time. So we're on 9483. So let's rotate them all one click to move that gate. So 83, 72. Try it. Nope. Do it again. 72, 61. Nope. 150. Huh. It shows the wrong direction today. Okay, we got to go to 9. He's stuck right there. So I'm going to roll it around to 9. Right there. Nothing. Okay, we need to go to 9 there too. Got to roll him back. 9. Roll him to 8. Come on. I should have gone the other direction. 27. And there we go. All right, so we got an open. Okay. Maybe the shackle's got to be closed. Nope. All right, so it's a single lock. We only saw one gate. So that tells me that there's probably a gate for the shackle, which is now lined up. And there's probably also a gate, a separate gate for the side, but it would be the same combination. We might very well have passed over. I should have been trying the door since that was our real target. So let's do that again. I'm gonna leave the shackle open and let's just rotate this again. Okay, so let's rotate it one step at a time. Let's go to 2, 7, 1, 6. Nope. 6, 0, 5. Nope. Okay, we need to go to 9, so let's rotate him back. 9, 4. Nope. I got to go to 9, so let's rotate him back. 4, 8, 3. Nope. Why do I always guess the wrong direction? It's 50-50. Luck of the draw. Assuming, of course, this is going to work. There may be some other secret that I'm not thinking about. There it is. All right, so 6150. Now, I'll bet you the shackle will not close. So the difference is, let's see, it was 3827. So the difference is 3. The shackle will not close now, but the door will close, and the shackle will still not close. So if we dial it back to the original combination, obviously the shackle will then, what was it, 3827? Is that right? Yep, okay. So that will now close. So what if that is closed and, okay, it doesn't work. So these are set at the factory. They will always be 3 apart. So if you know the combination for the shackle, you can get into the door. Likewise, if you know the combination for the door, you can get into the shackle. That's not very secure, but you got what you got. Anyway, guys, there you go. The ShurLok. Sorry that took so long, but when you guess the direction of those wheels, a lot of time, you know, it's 50-50. Luck of the draw, and I guess wrong. I'm not buying any lottery tickets today. I get it. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.